Hey everybody, this is Brian from GoFish Media, and I want to show you how to activate SongShowPlus9 as a free workstation. Now, for clarity's sake, I just want to define that term. A free workstation, by our definition, is a computer that has SongShowPlus installed on it, but is not necessarily needed for projection purposes. You just simply want to create a SongShowPlus program, for example. Now we're going to cover three different scenarios here. The first one is an account that has one workstation license already on it and it's available to activate version 9. The second scenario will be an account that already has several licenses available. And then lastly, we're going to show how to activate a new workstation license. Now, regardless of the scenario, we're always going to start at this first point, which is this notification that we need to activate SongShowPlus. So we're going to say OK. And then choose option A. We're going to say yes, we do have a SongShowPlus9 license. We're going to enter in our customer ID number. And then we also need to put in our password. And then click Next. And then here we're going to select Workstation. Now this particular account already has a workstation license on the account and it's available, so it's just going to automatically activate and it'll tell me that it has been activated, give me the license information. I don't have any plugins associated to this particular license, so we'll click Next. And then it says that it's been activated. Now, the only difference between a workstation license and a projection license is that if I were to project SongShowPlus using this machine, it's going to have a workstation watermark on the screen. Other than that, the functions and the features are identical. Now, for this next scenario, we're going to select a different account which already has two workstation licenses available. So we're going to choose Next. And then here we're going to have our two options, the church secretary or Bob's laptop. Bob could be a media volunteer, for example. We're going to choose church secretary and click Next. And then again, SongShowPlus automatically activates the license. There are no plugins associated to this license. So we'll say Next. And then it has been activated, and then SongShowPlus will launch. Now this last scenario, we're going to create a new license. So we're going to choose Workstation and then hit Next. But this time we're going to choose None of Above and then select Next. And we're going to register an additional license. Choose Corporate. And then we're going to call this Pastor Jim. Click Next. Now what this is going to do is create a new license on my account. Now here I can select plugins if I want to associate a plugin or purchase them. But you can see that this first option says that we're already going to add a registered workstation license for $0. So we're going to choose Next because I don't want to add any plugins at this point. And then here's our $0 amount. And then at this point, the license is now being created, and then it'll be activated automatically. And there's our new license called Pastor Jim. Hit Next. And it's been activated. And then SongShowPlus will launch.